How to make money on GoTranscript. So first of all, you're gonna have to create your own account. So go to your preferred browser and just search for GoTranscript. You should be able to enter their website immediately. And then once you're there, go ahead to log in. It should be found in the top right, and then just create an account. Put in your email, a bit of your information, and then a password. But once you do that, your account will immediately be ready. Apparently, you're gonna do a test on transcription. It's basically just gonna test your English accuracy, your listening skills, and ability to follow formatting rules. So before taking the test, you can carefully review the GoTranscript style guide, which is usually a bit difficult for a few beginners, but once accepted, you can choose jobs from the dashboard and work at them on your own place. You can take a look at your dashboard over here and explore to see the available things you can go for. But beginners should start with shorter, clearer audio files to build confidence and avoid penalties while learning the platform's standards. So, after you complete jobs accurately and on time, your rating will increase, unlocking higher paying files and jobs. To earn more, use headphones that is pretty much clear and, of course, not broken. Work in a quiet environment and replay difficult sections instead of guessing. Payments are made weekly via PayPal, but you can always take a look at what withdrawal options there is. But so consistency does matter for this, but more important than speed itself. So with regular practice, many beginners can turn GoTranscript into a steady side income by gradually improving accuracy, speed, and job selection. So just go ahead and take a look over here in the dashboard, since that's pretty much where you can take a look at the features and most ways you can earn in GoTranscript. But still, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.